Hello.
Hello, sir.
Hello.
Hello, sir.
Good evening.
Good evening, sir.
Good. Is this the first interview you are taking with me or second interview?
First interview, sir.
Oh, very good. Very good. Can you tell about yourself?
Okay, sir. My name is Justina George, and I am coming from Alua, Ernakulam, Kerala. And I have completed my MSc from Union Christian College, Alua in 2021. And I have completed my graduation from St. Paul's College, Kalmasheri in 2019. Coming to my family, I am living with my mother and my two brothers. My mother is an auto rickshaw driver. The two important aspects I have learned from her is hard work and honesty. And my brother, both are studying. My elder brother is doing MCA, and my younger brother is completing his graduation from Deepol's College, Kalmasheri. My hobbies are writing and listening to music. And this is a short story of my journey so far. And if you are interested to knowing me further, then I will explain to my journey.
No, actually, the last sentence is not needed. And
Okay,
in the previous portions, you have forgotten to tell which subject you studied. MSc in which subject?
MSc Mathematics.
Oh, good. No problem. Good, good, good. Otherwise, you talk nicely. What about your father? You were telling about your mother only. Father?
Sir, my father had died when I was in
Oh,
childhood.
sorry. And your mother is an auto rickshaw driver.
Yes,
Great,
sir.
great. Credit goes to her. And where are you staying? Which part of Kerala?
Alua.
Oh, Alva is a place, Alapi, correct?
Yes, Federal Bank's headquarters is here.
Oh, super. Excellent.
Yes, sir.
Now, which bank do you have an account?
Union Bank of India.
Okay, where is the headquarters of Union Bank of India? Mumbai.
Mumbai.
Yeah. Okay, doesn't matter. Now, your mummy has taken loans for running auto rickshaws or not?
No, sir.
She has not taken any auto rickshaw loan and all. Okay.
No.
Yeah. So now coming to banking service, what is the nearest Federal Bank branch for you? You said head office is there. From your
Yes,
house,
sir.
nearest branch is what?
In my home, I have a branch in Bypass. It is around around few kilometers from here. So, and we also have one in railway station. Both are nearer to us.
Acha. Have you visited any one of these two branches?
Yes, sir. Once I have visited this branch with my mother.
Now,
For
how many people were working there? Any idea?
No, sir.
No problem. Doesn't matter. Sometimes they ask such questions. How many people were working there? Describe that branch to us. That's how they ask questions. Doesn't matter. Now tell
But
me.
I have visited the many more years ago. While I was
Very young.
past 12th.
Oh, then you can as well say I have not visited. That is better.
Yes, sir.
That's good. I did not go. Then they will. Which your interview date has not come, na?
No, sir.
I suggest you visit one of the nearest branches, talk to them, and if after office hours you go, and then just talk to them. Probably you may get some points also, and you can describe about that branch. They will ask you to describe the branch and all that. Okay.
Okay, sir.
You have time, so you can afford to do that.
Okay.
Very good. Now, what is banking?
Sir, banking is actually accepting deposit from the customer and providing them the loan so that they can use it for various business purposes, and the deposit we are giving to the banks are actually banks liabilities, because banks have to give us that later to us when the customer asking for the deposit, and the interest we are offering them is the asset also, because bank is gaining income from this.
Actually, Justina, for this question, this many answers are not required. Just tell them banking means accepting deposits from public and
Yes.
making advances.
Okay.
Then they can tease you by asking, is it that banks do only these services? Are they not doing other services? Now, what is the answer you will give for this question?
No, sir. Bank also do other services.
What are they?
Like they will also give education loans and.
Are you attending my classes or not? No.
No, sir.
Why? Is it due to want of funds you are not attending? Any funds constraint is there? No.
No, sir. I watched 2 videos you are uploading on the YouTube.
True, but that will not do, because we are discussing things in detail, and you will come to know. Doesn't matter. That is why you are not able to come at answers correctly.
Okay, sir.
Okay, tell me, what is the difference between fixed deposit and recurring deposit?
In fixed deposit, we are depositing an amount for a fixed period of time, and the customer cannot withdraw the amount before the maturity period. And if they can withdraw it, but bank will levy some charges on the customer. But in the case of recurring deposit, bank will the customer will deposit a specific amount in the bank for a specific period of time, like 12 months, 24 months, 36 months, etc.
How many months?
Here,
how many months you said initially? 5 months.
12 months, 24 months.
No, minimum 6 months.
Okay.
Good. So that's right. You seem to be knowing about this. Very good. Can you tell me, are you reading newspaper?
Yes, sir.
Which newspaper are you reading?
Hindu.
What is the news you read in the last 3-4 days?
Sri Lanka, the problems in economic situation in Sri Lanka, and they are demanding for the resignation of both the president and the prime ministers. So the Sri Lanka is now going for Sri Lanka is facing severe economic crisis because the shortage of fuels, and they are already the political parties, they already took so much debts from China and countries like India. So and also the people are saying that it's been months they haven't seen a gas cylinder, and if they want a gas cylinder they have to wait for so many hours, nearly 10 hours, and the inflation is rising there. So the people are taking the protest to the street so that they could improve their economic situation.
Yeah, this one you told me correctly. Can you tell me any other news?
Next, Maharashtra, the topplement of the government. Actually, the chief minister was Uddhav Thackeray, but some rebel MLAs took protest against their government, and now they have toppled the government, and now the Shinde faction have been succeeded there, and they have made an alliance with the BJP, and now most of the MLAs from Uddhav Thackeray faction has already joined in Shinde faction, and they are also facing some non-confidence motions in the parliament, and Supreme Court had already stated that and every time.
Actually, you are
법무법인 한마다에서 신입 변호사로 일하게 된 우영우라고 합니다.
just sorry.
그 신입
Sorry. I was just clicking Netflix and I wanted to ask you about a Malayalam movie which I started seeing yesterday, starting with Kuttam, something like that. So that is why I went into that. Now, the point here is you don't have to tell about the past happenings, negative happenings. Just tell
Okay.
Maharashtra Chief Minister is so and so, but Governor
Okay, sir.
is so and so. That's don't tell any negative points in the interviews.
Okay.
Of course, if it is negative, that has to be told. But this we need not discuss about old past happenings. Now,
Okay, sir.
even for Sri Lanka, what we are going to say, Sri Lanka is facing economic crisis,
Okay.
and there is a revolt from the citizens. And what the other points you said are correct. You don't have to tell gas is not available, electricity is not available, fuel is not available. That much detail we need not give. Understand?
Okay. Okay, sir.
Good. Now, other points means you could have told about presidential election that is going to come because
Okay.
they are
Yes.
asking in interviews. Tell me
Yes.
about that. Tell me about that.
Presidential election, the BJP is casting a tribal candidate, Draupadi Murmu, and the opposition parties are casting, what was his name? Yashwant Sinha. I forgot.
Yeah, Yashwant Sinha. Mr. Yashwant Sinha was previously in BJP. Now he
BJP. Yes, sir.
now I think he's with Congress. So no, with the TMC, Trinamool Congress.
Trinamool Congress.
Yeah. No, but even for presidential candidate, BJP has sponsored Mrs. Draupadi Murmu of Odisha.
Yes, sir.
That will do. You don't have to talk about tribal and all that. Unless, not that it should not be told, but
Okay.
that this much will do. Okay, good.
Okay.
Do you belong to OBC?
No, sir. General.
General. Okay. Well, have you taken EWS certificate?
No, sir.
Of course, for this job, it may not be required. But EWS, if you are they giving EWS in Kerala?
No, now I don't know whether I am eligible for EWS certificate because.
You are owning big house. Are you owning a very big house?
No, sir, not very big.
No. They have some condition that the house should not be over some 1,000 square feet, something like that. Do you possess more than that?
Yes, we are in our auntie's house and.
No. 5 acres of land you should not have more than.
No 5 acres.
It's also 8 lakh limit also.
8 lakhs limit is also there. Your earning should be less than 8 lakhs. I'm sure your mummy must be earning much less than that.
Yes, sir.
Much less than that. Probably she may get per day maximum 500, 600. And yeah. So in which case you are very much eligible. Please check up from the nearest Tahsildar office. Are they issuing EWS? Whether it is issued online, like that. Who is the other boy online? Are you from Kerala, this boy? No.
No, sir, I'm from Rajasthan.
Rajasthan, are they issuing EWS?
Yes, sir, they are issuing, but yeah, should be eligible. You should be eligible for EWS.
Eligible, yeah. But in many other states, they are issuing, but they will delay it like anything so that you are not getting it on right time and all. Just now a candidate told appearing for E.P.F.O that he applied for it in Bihar and he could not get it before the date that was required and all.
Okay.
So, and of course in Tamil Nadu also they don't issue quickly, and their idea is not to issue because they don't support. The opposition party is ruling the state, so they are not in favor of this concept. Could you follow?
Okay, sir.
Yeah, but your state also must be one such state where they are not encouraging it. That's why I'm asking. I have not asked this from other candidates. Good, very good.
Okay,
Now,
sir.
what is the job role you are supposed to do in Federal Bank?
Sir, in Federal Bank, a officer must be bring new customer to the branch as far as possible, and I
As
should
much as
much as possible.
as
And
many as possible.
okay, sir.
Hmm.
And I should also explain them various deposit schemes, and I will help them to open open an account in the branch. And I also have to supervise the work of the clerical staffs in the branch, and also I have also how to do the rest all work that are entrusted on me by the branch. And then I also have to sell the bank assurance products, third party products like mutual funds to them.
Super, super, not bad. Good. You told very comfortably. I'm very happy. Not bad. Good, good. Excellent.
Thank you.
Now, what do you know about CTS? Hello?
Don't know, sir. Hello.
CTS.
CTS,
You have not heard about it?
I have read about it somewhere.
Check truncation system.
Check transaction system.
Achha. What do you know about UPI?
Unified payment interface. It is through this we can transfer or conduct transaction through the mobile easily. And it is also launched by NPCI.
Good, 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 good. Do you have driving license? Because your mummy is an auto driver. Do you have a driving license for you, two-wheeler?
Yes, sir, I have.
Good.
But she
Excellent.
won't let me to ride it to the cities because she have a fear of accident.
Achha,
But however, I will ride.
achha, achha. Good, good, good. So this way, this will be a plus point for you because they want people who know driving, because in your job role, you should try to elaborate about your marketing skills that are required.
Okay, sir.
And your suitability because you know driving also.
Okay, sir.
Now tell me, how will you market home loan products?
I will meet the customer and I will tell them that we will offer you the loan with less interest so that you don't have to
You cannot offer loan with less interest. You have to charge what your bank wants you to charge. Can you reduce the interest?
No, sir.
Now I can say instead of 200, you pay 100. That is different. For me, only single individual. But in bank, you are supposed to go as per rules.
Okay.
So here the answer has to be number one, I will try to get new customers for loans through the existing customers. And
Okay.
I will also ascertain from the nearest, say, contractors who are making complexes, the addresses of people who are buying houses from them, so that I can get their details and sell our home loan to them.
Okay,
And after that, I will receive the proper papers from them, analyze send the papers for being processed and assessed, and I will try to tell them that we will give a service very useful for them, and we will be at their whenever they need, we will be at their service, and we will not be charging extra charges other than what is allowed. Like many times we are offering, say, there are no processing charges, no legal charges and all that. So depending on the period, the facilities will be given to you, and please avail the home loan from us. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Good. What is the movie you saw last?
Janaganamana. Malayalam movie, sir.
Acha. Please tell about it in half a minute.
Okay, sir. This movie Janaganamana is portrayed how main protagonist Suraj Venarmood and Prithviraj Sukumaran. Actually, this movie depicts the loopholes in our political system and the police vigilantism. In this movie actually exposes how the police vigilantism are manipulated by the political parties to gain votes from the people. And here in this movie, we can see that a lecturer from a famous college has been shot dead, and the media manipulate it as she has been died by burning after rape. And the political parties in the movie uses this to manipulate the people, and they also make this as a big issue. And this movie also this movie is this a feast for you if you are interested in this political crime thriller. And in this, the main protagonists like Prithviraj Sukumaran and Suraj Venarmudu had done abundant justice to their roles. And we have to appreciate the producers and directors also for bringing such a movie to the mainstream Malayalam cinema and exposes the things that are daily happening in our democracy.
No, actually, you told nicely, but then I told you to talk for half a minute, and you talked for 1.5 minutes. Second, you were repeatedly saying in this movie, you are repeated because you are running short of points. So you talk slowly so that you will be getting points to add. Understand?
Okay, sir.
You are talking very fast. That's one. And actually, in Federal Bank interview, they are asking you to tell in the local language. Doesn't matter. And there also you make it very brief. In in this, I mean, what is the story about? It is about a murder of a college professor or a lecturer, and a lawyer takes it to see that justice is prevailing upon it, and he takes steps to bring a real culprit. Something like that. That will do. Why do you have to tell so many big lines? Understand?
Yes, sir.
Very good. Best wishes. God bless you.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, thank you so much. Which date is your interview?
Not no notification yet, sir.
So then you can join my class. You join by paying 201.
Okay.
And I will send you the links of the previous videos. You can
Okay.
attend the class with me from 9 p.m. every day. Okay, 1 minute. I wish you join. And if your mummy is having some problem in getting, because you are a poor girl, that's why I'm telling. If you are having problem, you don't have to pay me also. No issue.
No issue, sir.
Okay, just a minute. I am giving you the link. 1 minute. Your number is what? Because with some preparations, you are bound to get the job with some more extra preparation. And because you are not a commerce graduate, there's nothing.
Okay, sir.
With some more extra thinking, when you listen to the other people talking, you will get an idea how it is to be done. So please join this class, and you please fill this form also. If you are paying, you mention the details. Otherwise, you leave, you type there free and then put it done. Correct? No problem. Hello, I am giving you the links of the previous videos. For the previous days videos, I am giving you now. But you must watch them. Are you doing some other work apart from studying?
No, sir. I have been going through the note you are provided on the Telegram. I thought first I have to.
No, you have studied and you are telling not bad. but you need some more exposure. With a little more effort, I think your chances of success will be bright enough. Please take this up. Otherwise, do one thing, you pay me after getting job also. No problem. You come and join.
No, sir. I will pay. I will pay.
Thank
But
you.
I think today is not possible, but I will pay tomorrow.
No problem. Absolutely. No. But you attend class today at 9 o'clock.
Okay, sir.
Thank you. Yeah.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. I will. Is it okay to use this in YouTube, Justina?
No problem, sir.
Very good. Sagar, your video can be used in YouTube. Yes or no?
Yes, sir. It can.
Yes, sir. Okay. I think there may not be much time. I will close this and come again. Sagar, you come. Okay.
Okay, sir. I will join again.
Yeah.
Sure.